Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to add Reolink Device to Google Home. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Reolink. Add your Reolink device to the Reolink app. After that, open the Google Home app. Devices, Add. Works with Google. Find Reolink. Continue. Link your Reolink account to your Google Home account. After that, all devices from Reolink app will be added to the Google Home app. That's it. Now we know how to add Reolink device to Google Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.